and welcome to a series of spoken English. We have already studied about informal greetings and we are progressing with formal greetings. Today we have reached lesson 5, task 5. Let us begin and see what do we have in store for us today. Today we are going to learn that when we are parting or when we are leaving in a formal setting, what do we say? When leaving someone, say goodbye. It is more formal than bye or bye-bye. Goodbye is also said at the end of a telephonic conversation, a radio broadcast, or a television telecast. For example, well, may I take your leave? Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Over here, see you means meet. It's idiomatic English where you do not mean by the word see that you will see with your eyes. You mean to say meet you tomorrow. But in idiomatic English it is said see you tomorrow. Goodbye and thank you for the sumptuous dinner. Not at all. The reply can be not at all. Sumptuous over here means very lavish with many dishes. Let us proceed and see what do we have in store for us. When parting on leaving continued, all right, let's see when you're parting there are certain other things that we have to say or we can say rather. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening if you are parting in the evening. But if you're parting in the afternoon, you will say have a nice afternoon or have a nice time. The reply can be thank you, I will. And remember, take care is said. It is said when parting with a family or a formal friend. Let us see the task. You are leaving after a dinner. Thank the person for the dinner and then take leave. Let us see the conversation sample that we have. The conversation is between Miss Tarannum and Miss Sultana. Let us begin. It was a pleasant evening, Miss Sultana. I'm glad that you enjoyed, Miss Sultana. Sorry, it should be Miss Tarannum. I'm glad you enjoyed, Miss Tarannum. Well, may I take your leave? See you tomorrow. Sure. Goodbye and thank you for the sumptuous dinner. Not at all. Have a good day, Miss Sultana. Have a good day, Miss Tarannum. If you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I upload the videos, you get the notification. Thank you.